So one microcap stock bought recently is Spice Islands Industries. This is a high risk stock, not a trade recommendation. Now let's look at the technical reasons why I bought the stock and fundamental reasons, and then let's go through the green flags and my green flags and red flags of the stock. So this is the daily chart, and you can see this beautiful trend line, right? So somewhere over here I bought the stock. So that is the technical reason why I bought the stock. Now let's look at the fundamentals. So let's just look at the details first. So I'll tell you what my green flags are in the company. Before that, let's also read about the company in detail. So it has now diversified into other activities. A change to solar renewable business. First one is it is got a good ROE. Then face value is 10, which usually means that in future, if it goes, there is a possibility for stock splits, and so stock splits are usually considered good for the stock price increase. So a higher face value is usually good because there's scope for stock splits. So that is a green flag. Then reserves is more than the contingent liability, low debt, high interest coverage. Then it has a dividend yield. So dividend yield at a micro cap level is very good. Then quick ratio is okay. Sales growth is good. Operating margin, profit margin is decent. Profit growth is good. Net profit margin is okay. Cash flow is good. Return on assets is good. So so a company that is making profits and having cash flow and having a dividend is usually a good green flag. Right now, let's look at the negatives. This is a micro cap. So micro cap comes with its own volatility. Getting stuck at circuit limits, getting out will be very hard. Liquidity issues, etc. So that is 194 crores market cap. Then stock is double the industry average, which is 16. This is almost double. Then high price to book value. Where is it? Here, 13 times more than the book value. Right? But book value and all can be. I don't know. It's the way you calculate it. Some people may remove some things. Some people may add something. So it's very relative. I feel subjective. I feel. Anyway, okay. So that is one. Then these are red flags, huh? And then the promoter holding is only 43. And huge red flag is 19%, almost 20% drop in promoter holdings, which is a huge red flag, right? So I put a stop loss on my stock, and everyone should use stop losses on their stocks, regardless large cap, mid cap, small cap, micro cap, any cap. Always trade with stop loss. So this is one big red flag. And then anything else? Yeah, that's it. I think for now. Now let's look at the quarterly results. These are the quarterly results, annual results. As you can see, the results are good. Cash flow. As you can see, it's a positive cash flow, which is very good. Balance sheet, ratios. See, the debt has reduced. I don't know if it is accurate, but if this is correct, then reducing debt is very good. It's a big green flag. And then let's look at shareholding. Public is only 56% of the company, promoter only 40, and zero FIIs and mutual funds. See, huge drop, 20% drop, right? Yeah, almost 20, yeah, almost 19 something. Big red flag. Then let's look at the news. Okay, just the usual things. Then let's look at the overview. Peg ratio is 0. It should not be 0, I think. It should always be point something. I think this is wrong. If it is so, I think it is undervalued. I mean, I think it should be point 0.1. I think there's something wrong with the peg ratio. Any all these are green, which is good to see. Now let's look at Dan also. Dan has some things that is not there in the Kotek one. So you can see, do you see any red flags here? This is a red flag. Other income is 3. Total profit is 6. Other income is, so they're making money not from the core business. They're making money through maybe some other, maybe investments or some other non-core business activity. Then EPS growth is good. Net profit is okay. Then let's look at the balance sheet. Balance sheet. Cash flow has not been updated for this year. Let's also look at their website, see what they're doing. FMCG Hospitality. Okay, so that is the hotel. They have a scooter. Okay, heritage. Need to see if this is listed on any Amazon or Blinkit or Zepto or Swiggy. Need to check that and check the reviews. Rogers, Pocketers. What is this? Okay, I don't know whether making it or renting it. Any so this is yeah. So this is my thesis for Spice Islands. This is my here it is. They give it as a rent. Anyway, okay. So anyway, I put a stop loss on this. Let's see how it goes. This is my thesis for the trade I took, why I took. So that is my video on Spice Islands Industries. I forgot to upload the Tangamail's jewelries. This one also. So I'll just put it here. This looks fine. Other income is okay. Balance sheet, cash flow. It's not updated. This is their company detail. Strong hedging policy. Oh, that's nice. They are smart. People who know to hedge are very smart. I saw a news article saying that Ryanair has hedged almost 80% of their fuel up to 2027, and therefore they are not affected by this Iran war at all. Very smart. It's one of the very few airlines that are profitable in the world. I don't know whether our airlines, Indian Airlines, do hedging and all. I think SEBI should promote that instead of considering FNO as a speculate only for speculation, treating it like only for speculation. If Indigo and Air India and SpiceJet and all had hedged, I don't think they would be cancelling all these flights. Right? I think SEBI should promote FNO for hedging and then treating it like a stepchild treatment and as a speculative asset. It should be, the pros of FNO should be shown. Anyway, so this is Tangamail. Yeah, let's just check the website also of Tangamail. Okay, a good-looking woman is there. Always adds extra 5% to the company's growth. Okay, let's see the products, coins. Okay, so the usual stuff when you find anything. Anyway, yeah. So that is my thesis for Spice Islands and Tangamail. So, and please remember, this is not a trade recommendation. Do your own research. Don't trust anyone online. Do your own research. Always use a stop loss. And yeah, do subscribe if you enjoy this trading vlog and want to be updated whenever we take trades. Bye.